mwaka uyu mucamanio uyu kigomano giki kirarora maundu maithaka, particularly buroti cia tauni uria cibangagwo planning, uria iheanagwo, uria cirihaga land rates na land rents. Ona ningi turarora gutumira mitambo ya computer gutigirira we buroti yaku ni yaku, gutikage ungiumana hau oke na title auge ati hihi ni yake. Riu turakirora maundu macio mothe mari o njira ya kurehe uguni kuri counties citu, guthomithania aria mekite magatariria aria angi, haria mundu onete gathina agatariria, haria hotete gu succeed agatariria nigetha twiki.
Last night we saw all over social media, they were showing now what the court has said they can be nabbed. We are not the ones who went to court. It's Kenyans who went to court after they saw Governor Lati being harassed. For us, we raised our issues. And those issues must be addressed. It's not enough to say governors are running away from accountability. It's not enough to remind us that the Senate has the powers of a High Court judge. There is no High Court judge who insults his litigants in court. And you can also ask a High Court judge to recuse himself. And as a minimum, he has to hear the application for recusal. Even if they want to say, I'm not recusing myself, as a minimum, the application for recusal must be heard. And it's not good to brand all governors thieves, because the same senators tomorrow will be governors. I'm doing my second term, so tomorrow when I become a senator, I become a saint.